Bennett is going on its 50th year in business. We're made up of 14 different companies that do a wide variety of different types of transportation services. We're very close last year to being a $1 billion company. And our goal is this year to reach that milestone. For us, it's never been about being the biggest. We just want to be the very best. We want to do the best job possible. Safety is actually priority one here at Bennett. We feel we have a responsibility to the motoring public to do everything we can to be safe and to make sure that our drivers are safe on the road. Cameras have helped us tremendously with safety because in our industry, we are always a target. And if one of our trucks is in an accident, whether it's his fault or not, we're going to be drawn into the accident, into the lawsuit. And so we find that the cameras are helping us to protect ourselves, to protect the drivers. And it's also a way we can use for training. When we first talked to them and when we first started putting cameras in, we had a lot of drivers very resistant. But now I think you'd find that most of the drivers are very happy to have that camera because it helps them, it protects them as well as protecting us.